You're hurt. I understand.
I keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. So keep that.
Time I go to do a look, I forget. So don't even do me. I'm going for this Jason mask look I saw at Peach Kate do it. I've done one of her looks before recently. I think I posted it today. I did it 3 days ago. It came out nice. Now this look is very hard. I really want to get into detail with this. This time, instead of using fake blood, I think I want to use probably a liquid lipstick mixed with something else and just flick it on my skin this time, because the fake blood last time, it looked too glossy to me. So I'm gonna just try and fix the whole situation. But as you can see, I already drew my eyebrows down, did my base. I already outlined, shaded the edge of the mask and all. But I'm about to just go in and show y'all the rest of the process. And I'm just gonna take this black shade and like make a little contour and a little depth before I really get into like spraying blood and like going into detail and stuff, because I'm just gonna, might look a little patchy, but that's how we want it to look. Honestly, it has to be messy as hell, but at the same time good looking. Now right here in the picture, there's a latch, so I have to draw like a really like black little latch with a little silver button. So I'm gonna take this black lipstick from the crayon case, and I'm going to take a very flat brush I use for my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna like draw and sketch it on out. I'm just gonna fill that in. Now I do have a white like lip liner. I just used the black one to do the shading on the bullet holes and the screws, but I'm gonna take this white shade I'm just gonna sketch out a little bullet hole before I really go into depth with it. Now I do have a silver face paint that I want to use, but before I do use that, I do have to shade in more on the outline of the also the crayon case. I really like the lipsticks. Like, okay, so I'm not really big on lipstick, but since I've received their lipsticks in PR, now mind you, I've received lipsticks from Pixie Beauty. I've received lipsticks from a lot of people, even small people who wanted me to like review their products, but I don't know what it is with the crayon case, but I really like their lipsticks because I never wore lipstick a day in my life, and I always used to use gloss for my lips. Even now, look at this, it's so cute. I like, even now, I still wear a gloss, but I can't go nowhere without a gloss. But with the crayon case lipsticks, I love a new combo. I usually take this brown one called Gumbo, and I usually take either a concealer from them or the nude shade. I can't really find my nude shade from them. I think I lost it from going out and stuff, but this shade or concealer or a nude shade on top, blend it out, ombre, love it. Like, or ombre and then put a gloss over it. This is so, it smells so good. It's not really much. Usually when some people make lipsticks from well, lipsticks and lip glosses from home, it's usually very gritty and grimy. You could like feel the glitter in the lip gloss, but this one is very like minimal. Like, now I was a little bit thrown off. The first lipstick she sent me, I had to wear it occasionally because it was a brown lipstick. But this lip gloss, it may seem gold. It may seem gold, but it's really like, it's very clear. And it only gives like a few reflects, if you could see, just by me pointing a light on it. When I posted this on my Insta story, one of my friends, she's a rapper, her name is Treaty, she said this is for sucking dick in the dark. Okay, from the looks of the way I shaded this out, I really went a little bit too big, but I'm not gonna really like argue with it. Even this is a remake, so I'm really not pressed over how it looks. I'm not trying to get it exactly like the original artist's post, but I really do like to be on point when it comes to blending and the way stuff look, because I just can't have my looks like, my looks always have to be A1 no matter what I do. Honestly, I'm not gonna post it if it looks cheesy to me personally. I'm not gonna post it if I feel like I didn't do my best. I'm not gonna post it if I have to enhance my photo too damn much. I'm not gonna post it at all. So now this is my third palette. I go through this palette so much because I am an artist who do like a lot of not usual like eyeshadow looks, but I usually just do looks that just goes like overboard, honestly. But that's my third palette. I do have another palette from the current case they sent me in PR. It's still brand new. I still never used it. Still in the package, still in the wrapper. I'm probably not gonna use it till I'm done with this one. I'll never be done with this one. But I still have my old one, which I'm already done with. I still have this one. I'm still not done with this one. But I would never, ever in my life stop using their palettes. Now, when it comes to taking like product shots and stuff, I do have a problem with closing one eye and then trying to make the other eye look very regular. I don't know why I have that problem, but instead of me closing one eye and this eye just not being open, I'm just gonna Photoshop my pupil black because I don't have the time. Like, who has the time? I'm just gonna go in with some detailing, really. I'm gonna have to take some of this red lipstick from Wet n Wild in the shade Missy and Fierce. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna take this little thing from a special effects kit. I'm just going to dab it on in. I'm gonna make little bloody specks all over. Really need the look come together, honestly. I'm running out of this lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick. I do like the red lipstick from the Crayon Case, but I prefer this one. The one from the Crayon Case is very the lipstick from the Crayon Case is very burgundy like to me. It's not really like a red color. It's not really, it don't give me like woo from MAC, and that's just what I need as far as a lipstick, honestly. That's enough blood specks. Now I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna go in with this brown shade from the Contourization palette from Crayon Case. I'm just gonna go around my eyes, give it a little depth, really. Now right here, there's another red triangle line right here, so I'm gonna just draw that off camera. I've taken one lash from Crown Me Luxury Lashes and in the style Divine, and I put it on one eye. I don't want to put one on here. It really wouldn't make sense. I don't want to be a glam looking. Yeah, it's just not the look. Now I'm gonna take this white outliner from the Crayon Case, and I'm going to make little detailings. I went a little bit too much on that one, but that's okay, really. Now that I've shaded that out, I'm gonna take this brush that had excess black shadow on. I'm just gonna go over some of the parts because I went in a little bit too much. I'm just gonna take that white again. When it comes to Halloween looks, the messiness is key. That's the only thing. That's really the key. This is the finished look. I will insert pictures and videos at the end of this video. I want to thank y'all for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Elijah NeShone, and follow me on Twitter at Elijah NeShone with 2 E's at the end. Snapchat, I really don't use it, but it's Elijah NeShone. Elijah spelled with a U. And yeah.